NFTs recovering? What's the NFT market update? Who debuted the first new NFT vending machine and where? Can this digital art be sold to anyone with a credit or debit card? What are the pros and cons of this vending machine? Hey folks, welcome back to the NFT Guide. We are back with another interesting video. Today, we're going to talk about NFTs recovering, their market updates, and the first NFT vending machine. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Despite the low trading volume, the market for NFTs appears to be recovering, with an increase in the number of users, transactions, and wallets purchasing NFTs. According to data from blockchain analytics firm Nansen, more than 250,000 people engaged with NFTs over the week ending on May 23rd, an increase of almost 25% from the previous week. Additionally, the number of transactions has increased by more than 60% in the last week, reaching 500,000, compared to the previous week's total of fewer than 300,000. Meanwhile, the number of ERC-721 transfers, a standard for indicating ownership of non-fungible tokens, reached its highest point in years on May 22nd, according to crypto intelligence company Coinmetrics. According to Coinmetrics, the number of ERC-721 transfers touched its greatest level since 2019, only topped by the 2019 Gods Unchained trading card game release on May 22nd of 2022 at 660,000. There has also been a significant increase in the number of wallets purchasing NFTs. More than 267,000 wallets bought NFTs in the last week, according to Nansen, up from about 171,000 wallets that bought NFTs the week before. NFT trade volume remains modest, despite an increase in the number of users, transactions, and wallets purchasing NFTs. Since last week in May, non-fungible.com has reported a 14% reduction in NFT sales volume to $21 million. There has been a 2% reduction in sales to 23,000 as well. It's also true that sales of high-end NFT collections have been declining for some time now. This week, Yuga Labs' other Deed NFTs, Bored.io Yacht Club, Azuki, and Mutant Ape Yacht Club all saw decreases in sales, according to data from CryptoSlam, a cryptocurrency research firm. What's the current NFT market update? As the global crypto market continues to fall, there is no change in the NFT market. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency in the world, fell to $20,946, which was its lowest price in 18 months. All cryptocurrencies are in the red right now because their prices keep going down. The same thing is happening in the NFT spaces, where sales keep going down and NFT buyers stop coming to the NFT marketplaces. The CryptoSlam NFT tracker says that NFT sales have dropped by 150% since April. The average price of an NFT has gone down by 67%, from $589 in April to $192 in June. The number of transactions in the NFT space is also going down a lot, from 62 lakh to 27 lakh. For the first time since August 2021, the Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT collection is now worth less than $100,000. Since May, when BAYC NFTs sold for $200,000 each, the floor price has dropped by 100%. Since June 15th, when the floor price fell to $106,000, the NFT market has been in free fall. The drop in NFTs is because the market for cryptocurrencies, especially Ethereum, is going down. This is true because most NFTs are issued over the Ethereum network. At the moment, Ethereum costs just under $1,000. The NFT floor prices of other high-rated NFT collections have also gone down at the same time as BAYC. In the last 24 hours, the value of Other Deed has dropped by 11% and the value of Moonbirds has dropped by 42%. On the other hand, NFT sales dropped in January to $4.6 billion. By the end of March, NFT sales were $2.44 billion, which was 53% less than the month before. The number of unique buyers dropped by 66.5% from 9.98 lakhs in January to 6.4 lakhs in March to 3.81 lakhs in April. What has Bill Gates said in the news about NFT? In other news, Bill Gates criticized NFTs by saying that they are 100% based on the greater fool theory. The theory says that even assets that are too expensive can make money if investors are willing to buy and sell them. TechCrunch put on an event about climate change where Gates spoke. He said that he'd like to invest in things that could be seen or in a company that makes things. The co-founder of Microsoft said that he does not own any cryptocurrency. I have nothing to do with that. I am neither long nor short on any of those things, Gates said. implying that he was also cautious of assets that were made to avoid taxes or any kind of government rules. Now, let us discuss the world's first NFT vending machine launched in New York. Neon, an NFT and digital collecting platform based in New York, announced it has opened the first NFT vending machine in the world in the financial district of New York City. The machine is near Wall Street and accepts USD credit and debit cards. It then gives out a box with a unique code for the chosen NFT, which can be easily redeemed on the Neon platform. Neon has created the easiest and most accessible way to buy, sell, and trade non-fungible tokens or NFTs in the real world. You don't need a cryptocurrency wallet or specialized knowledge to use it. The machine is open all day and night. Neon's CMO and co-founder, Jordan Bernholtz, said, "Our goal is to help artists and creators by letting them sell digital art to anyone, and to help anyone who wants to become a collector. Giving people the option to use vending machines and an easy-to-use online platform that separates cryptocurrency from NFT participation means that we can reach the widest possible audience. NFT trading does not have to be mysterious, and you should not be required to hold Ethereum, construct a smart contract, pay gas expenses, or bridge blockchains in order to participate. Supporting the arts and empowering creators is the aim of Neon. NFTs have become well known because they link a digital work to a unique token that can't be replaced. They will become a widespread, popular phenomenon as they become more available to everyone. As they grow, NFTs will be used by artists and creators in more ways. They will be the basis for exclusive airdrops, interoperability between games, and access to real-world art and experiences. The Neon team wants to speed up these changes by making access to them much easier. Only 2% of Americans have digital wallets, but 80% have either a credit or debit card, Bernholtz went on. That means an artist could reach 40 times as many people. We wish to empower innovators and digital artists whose work is frequently underappreciated because it is not tangible in the traditional sense. We make it even easier to sell digital art than it is to sell physical art. If creators want to produce NFTs based on their existing content or new stuff, we want them on Neon. How the platform is built on a carbon-neutral, energy-efficient blockchain. The founders and engineers of Neon chose the Solana blockchain with smart contracts because it is the most energy efficient, uses proof of stake, and has a theoretical throughput of 65,000 transactions per second with nearly no fees. All of Neon's transactions have no carbon footprint because the Solana Foundation bought carbon offsets. Bernholtz said, "We wanted to use a blockchain that is fast, green, and meets demand around the world." Digital Currency Group, Entry Capital, General Catalyst, and Gingles all back Neon. Kyle Sapital, the CEO of Neon, has a lot of experience making games, including for Xbox Mobile, and he knows how to make products that are fun, easy to use, and of high quality for a wide range of people. The company plans to use the early funding to hire more engineers, grow its creative marketing, and work with creators to form partnerships. Neon is a Solana blockchain-based NFT marketplace and gallery. Neon is the quickest method to buy, sell, and show off NFTs, with the world's first NFT vending machine in New York City and the easiest to use internet platform. No understanding of cryptocurrencies or crypto wallets required. To join, collectors and artists must sign up with an email address and pay in US dollars using a credit or debit card. Neon is designed for global demand and scalability, utilizing the Solana blockchain for rapid transaction speeds, low costs, and enormous improvements in energy and environmental efficiency. Neon is supported by a distributed team based in the US. So this was all about this video. I hope you liked the information given in this video. If you have anything in your mind that you would like to share, feel free to comment below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this one. Also, hit the bell icon to get the notification of the latest updates in the channel. Thank you for watching.